I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set the time on your Acura MDX. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is turned to the on position. Next, find the Info or Settings button on your dashboard and press it. This will bring up the main menu on your display screen. Now, use the central interface dial to scroll through the options until you highlight Setup. Once you're in the Setup menu, you'll need to navigate to the Other tab. Use the interface dial to move the selection to Other and press the dial to enter. Within this section, scroll down until you see the clock adjustment option. Highlight it, then press the interface dial again to select it and proceed to the next step. Now you're ready to adjust the time. The hour will likely be highlighted first. Rotate the interface dial left or right to set the correct hour. Once the hour is set, push the interface dial to the right to move the selection over to the minutes. Then, rotate the dial again to adjust the minutes to their precise value. Take your time to ensure accuracy. After setting both the hours and minutes, press the interface dial down to confirm and save your new time. You might also find options here to adjust for daylight saving time or to select your specific time zone, if needed. Once done, you can press the MAP or Info button to return to your main screen. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.